It's a big day. We got 2 of our craftibly diamond paintings in. And say hi to Miller. Hi, Miller. Hi, Miller. What are you up to? So we did get this really cute little canvas bag. I'm pretty sure this is our tool bag. So we're going to take a look at this. See what's inside. You cannot eat that. That's not a toy, Miller. So we did get a little porcupine, little... I don't even know what, it's like a magnet thing where it keeps it down. We got some washi tape, which is really cool because I really need that. That's why I haven't bought any. And we have another washi tape. And we also have 2 waxes, diamond wax. And from this little bag right here, we got some more wax. We got tweezers, a pen, I call it, and I've been really, truly wanting this. This is going to come in handy. Yes, all this stuff came in this little bag right here from Craftibly, which I am so super duper excited about. And these are really cool. I like the material. I don't even know what you would explain what it is, but let's see what our diamond painting looks like. So the one that I got is a 24 by 18 Coral Sky, and it's I don't know where. Oh, it's Karla Gerard. I saw this off of a video on YouTube. Somebody else unboxing this, and I figured, oh my goodness, this is just down my alley. I love art like this, and I wanted to go ahead and support artists themselves because I really enjoy diamond painting. So I figured, let's do this. Anyway, I'm all excited. We do have stickers that we can put on our little containers, which is really cool. We have about 41. That is an AB. Actually, there are 2 ABs, and I forget what they stand for, but I'm going to say absolutely beautiful. Yes. But yeah, so this little sticker thing can go like in a journal if you keep a journal. But I'm really excited to show you all the canvas itself. So this is the canvas. It shows the artist's name right here. But oh my goodness, I love the feel of this canvas. It looks so bright. A lot of reds, a lot of pinks, a lot of greens. I am super duper excited to work on this. Super excited. It looks so very nice, and it's a pretty big size. Yeah. Let's take a look at the diamonds themselves. You also do get instructions on how to diamond paint. It tells you how to unroll your diamond painting, how to do it in 8 steps. You get washi tape, a mind cover. So they say, we now include a random themed magnet to secure your plastic chart cover. Great for holding it in place while you work without having to peel it back too far. So that's all the information you get in this kit, which is really cool. And of course, like I said, it comes with this really cute little bag. Very helpful. So here are the diamonds itself. So these are the ABs. This is 41. Look at how pretty they are. So they have kind of like a little like shimmer to them, which is really cool. Oh, I love that. And these are square. This is the first time that I'll be working with squares. I heard they're a little bit different than the regular round ones. But yeah, I'm looking forward to using these because we did see a lot of greens. And here is the other ABs. Oh, these are really pretty. Oh, yes. So I am really excited, but I love these colors so far. Oh my goodness, we got like a lot of oranges. Oh, and the good thing is they're in alphabetical order, or like numeric order, I guess you can say. So you don't have to go shifting through them. So there is 41. Oh, I'm going to have to finish my other diamond painting before I can even start this. So I'm going to put this all away. So this is Coral Sky. 24 by 18 drill shape. So keep an eye on a future video, which is probably going to happen soon. I'm going to have a few days off in the next coming days, and I really want to start this one. And I promised myself that I would not open all the diamond paint-ins. I kind of just want to take my time and look through them with you all together. But you can get this off of Craftibly, which I think is a fantastic site. They shipped really fast. I ordered this over the weekend, and it came in today, which is Wednesday the 12th. Oh, all right. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, I hope you enjoyed this. And if you are a regular here on the channel, this is something new that that I've been wanting to do because I love diamond painting. I've only been doing it since I think the end of December. I think my date was December 30th. This is when I started, and I have fallen in love. All right, everybody. I hope you all have a great day. Look again at that picture. Oh my God, I love it. There's a little doggy right there. Oh, all right. Talk to y'all soon. All right, bye.